we are in Ventura, California for the Throwdown Cornhole Tournament and Truck Show. Ventura has a great downtown area that is filled with shops, restaurants, and entertainment. A farmer's market fills Main Street on Saturday mornings. The city is on the California coast with fantastic beaches that attract locals and visitors to the area. We're headed to the Ventura County Fairgrounds for the world's largest cornhole tournament and festival sponsored by Spencer McKenzie's restaurant. The 3-day event features an all-truck show on the second day. The trucks are parked and the gates are open for the spectators and cornhole players. We will check out the cornhole tournament and then head to the truck show. It is this 1965 Chevrolet C10 truck. The owners purchased the truck in 2021 and did a complete rebuild that included a 5.3 LT1 engine and a HP 8L90E transmission. Escamilla and Sons Auto Body in Santa Paula did the bodywork and paint. The primary color is Harbor Blue, which is a 1958 Mercedes-Benz color. The top is ivory. The side trim and tailgate latches were chromed. We thank the owners for sharing the information and their beautiful truck. Another vehicle that got our attention at the show wasn't a truck, but it was awesome and we needed to share it. It is a 1924 Ford Model T with a 1953 Mercury flathead V8 engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. A unique car that just wowed us. Thank you to the owner for sharing it.